At y brif adran lle roedd Port Talbot yn croesawu Pontypridd, sef cyncoed ar ei newydd wedd. Yr ymwelwyr gafodd y gorau o'r cyfleoedd yn y rhannar cynta, Millie Jones ac ergyd cipio'r nod. Yna Jones yn creu i Alana Murphy ond i hergyd fymryn dros y trawst. Fe enillodd Ponty gêm agoriadol yn erbyn y Seintia, ond ar ôl colli'r wythnos dwytha yn erbyn Abertawe, roedden nhw'n benderfynol y cipio'r pwyntiau. A stori'r ail hannar oedd 3 chynnig i Carys Bufton, y cynta'n cael ei harbed yn dda, yr ail yn sleifio hirbio'r postyn ar ôl pas hyfryd gan Murphy. Ond gol ar y trydydd cynnig. Port Talbot yn methu a chlirio o ddwy ergyd Alison Wits, a Bufton yn gorffen yn daclus i roi'r fantais i Bontypridd wedi 82 o funudau. Gyda Port Talbot wedi ildio 10 gol a heb sgorio yn y ddwy gêm gyntaf, fe fyddach chi'n meddwl falla mai dyna ddiwedd y stori. Ond fe frwydrodd y tîm cartra yn ôl, ergyd Lauren Amor yn gwibio hibio'r nod, ac yna ar ôl chwarae taclus ar ymyl y cwrt, Jessica Denscombe yn methu achuro'r golwr, y pwyntiau i Ponty.
To be fair, I think the overriding emotion in the change rooms is positive. I think we've had 2 heavy defeats in the last 2 weeks, and to lose just by the odd goal here today was a bit disappointing, but like I said, it could have gone either way. Didn't have the luck of the bounce, which if we keep playing like that, keep sticking together, it'll come. So disappointed, but there's plenty more positives than negatives to take from that performance.
Fern, 1-0 victory. What are your thoughts at the end of that one?
Pleased with 3 points. It was a tough game. It's always a very physical battle when we come to Port Talbot. They disrupt our game very well, and I'm pleased that we were able to grind out the result and walk away from today with 3 points.
We're really struggling at the minute, it's no secret. Lost a few players over the summer. I think the pandemic's had a really negative effect on our club and in girls in general, to be honest. I think a lot of them have got used to having free weekends and they just lost interest. So I would like to appeal to any player who's not getting game time or any player with aspirations of playing in the Welsh Tier 1 to give us a direct message on Twitter or just give one of us a ring, and we'd be more happy to welcome him into our club.